Good afternoon, all of you. I am Nirima, Maths PGT, working in KGBV Shankuvaram, East Godavari district. Okay? We are learning last class quadratic expression. That is some topics we learn. What about that topics? General form of quadratic equation and roots of the equation and the discriminant of quadratic equation and nature of the equations, and also relation between the coefficients of the quadratic equation. Okay, what that means, that relation between the coefficients of the quadratic equation to two conditions. Learn two conditions we learn. What is that? First one is a square is x square coefficient a is 1. That is the sum of the roots is minus b by s. Minus b, that is equal to x coefficient is and minus b. Okay, and sign is change. That's why we get minus b. And second one is product of the roots is sum of the product of the roots are c by c. Okay. Now, and another one is if alpha beta be the roots of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, it can be written as a into x square minus x alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Okay? If alpha beta roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, it can be written as a into x square minus x alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Okay, this formula we can use and some example sums now we learn. First one is and some, this is the sum of the roots and this one is product of the roots. Okay, first sum is form a quadratic equation whose roots are roots are 3 and minus 2. Okay, we can use here given form the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means we form the quadratic equation. How? We can use the roots 3 and minus 2. Okay, here given already we know that roots of the equation x square into x alpha plus beta and sum of the roots and product of the roots. Here given solution student. Now given roots are alpha comma beta is 3 and minus 2. Okay. Now sum of the roots. What about sum of the roots? Sum of the roots are alpha plus beta is equal to 3 minus 2. We get 1. And product of the roots, are alpha beta is equal to 3 into minus 2 is equal to minus equation is x square into minus alpha plus beta means x 1 into x and plus alpha into beta. Product of the roots minus 6 is equal to 0. That's why we get x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, understand? And more one is we learn. Second one is form a quadratic equation whose roots are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Okay, 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Okay, see here that alpha is equal to 2 plus root 3 and beta is equal to 2 minus root 3. Again we find out the sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta is equal to 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. Root 3 cancel and we get 4. And product of the roots alpha beta is equal to 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. A plus b into a minus b. That's why we get a square minus b square means 4 minus root 3 means root 3 square is 3. We get 1. Okay. Now required equation is x square minus x into alpha plus beta and plus alpha beta is equal to 0. That too, x square minus x alpha plus beta we get how much? 4 plus alpha beta is 1. That is equal to 0. Then therefore x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Next one is the next solved problem we can learn. Next question. If alpha and beta are the roots of ax square bx plus c is equal to 0, find the values of alpha square, beta square and alpha cube, alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube in terms of A, B, C. Okay. First, given question, read my everyone. If alpha and beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, find the values of alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube in the terms of ABC. Okay. Here given, we know that what we know, ax square plus bx plus c the quadratic equation. Get alpha beta is the roots are, but what we know, alpha beta we know, alpha plus beta is equal to sum of the roots, and next one is the product equal to, you can write a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, now sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and product of the roots alpha beta is equal to c by a. This one we learned, already we learned. So now substitute this equation. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to a plus b whole square means minus b by a whole square minus 2 into ab means c by a. Okay, b square by a square. Now 2c by a. This one 2 LCM cheste a square b square minus 2 is. Okay, understand? Okay, alpha square beta is equal to b square minus 2ac by a square. Next one is the alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay. Okay, second one is alpha cube plus beta cube. Again, this one also we know that a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Okay, this one is the basic formula. Okay, so that's why we are right. Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square, a square plus b square minus a. Okay, again here a square plus b square, and already we proved alpha square plus beta square is sum. So a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, here write a plus b into a square plus b square means a plus b whole square minus 2ab minus a. Okay, understand? How get this one? A square, a cube, alpha cube plus beta cube you can write in this form of a plus b into a square plus beta square minus a, and a plus b into a plus b whole square minus a. That's why we have given alpha cube plus, therefore a plus b into a plus b whole square minus 3a. Okay, now therefore alpha cube plus beta cube we get alpha plus beta into alpha plus beta whole square minus 3 alpha beta. Okay, now substitute the sum of the rows, this one, and here again product of the rows. Okay, see here alpha plus beta means sum of the rows. What now? Minus b by a into again minus b by a whole square minus 3 into c by a. Okay, minus b by a, here b square by a square minus 3c by a. This one we multiply both sides, both ones. Minus b cube by a cube, minus into minus plus 3bc by a. Okay, this one LCM cheste a cube minus b cube here a into a minus b cube by a. Okay, understand? Here given alpha and beta given, we find alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. First, we change the general forms and some formulas used and this one change and form. Sum of the roots and product of the roots value substitute, we get this value. Okay. Then next one is next one, exercise 3F. Here let's see here. Roots of the equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Find the value. One by alpha plus one by beta. Second means 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta. These are 2 marks questions. We get IPA exam also. So solution. First one is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Okay. What we know this chapter? Sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha beta is equal to c by a. So here given 1 by alpha plus given equation. One by alpha plus 1 by beta. It can be written as beta plus alpha by alpha beta. That means alpha plus beta or beta plus alpha is same, minus b by a by c by a. And both a cancel from minus b by c. Okay, second one is 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. This is also can be written as LCM alpha square plus beta square by alpha square beta square. That we can write again alpha square plus beta square means we can write a plus b whole square formula. What about a plus b whole square? That is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, and we get a plus b whole square plus 2ab is equal to a square plus a square plus b square. Okay, here write alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta whole square. Okay, alpha plus beta means minus b by a whole square minus 2 into alpha beta means c by a by again c by a whole square. Okay, here write b square by a square minus 2c by a by c square by a square. And we can write b square minus 2ac by a square by c square by a square. A square cancel and b square minus 2ac by c square. Okay? Okay, this is we find out the relation between the coefficients and sum of the roots and product of the roots. Use some exercise, some solved problems and exercise sums also we learn. And next one is find the values of m for which of the following equations have equal roots. Okay. Next sum is find the values of m for which the following equations have equal roots. Okay, given sum is x square minus 15 minus m into 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. And given condition, what is the given condition? In this equation have equal roots. Equal roots they have means discrimination is 0. Okay, first this is the quadratic equation or not? Yes, this is the quadratic equation, but this sum simplify this. Given equation is x square minus 15 minus m into 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. And this one, first this one we can change x square down, x term and constant term. So x square minus 2mx and minus into minus plus 8m minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, now this is the quadratic expression. Now compare the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. So compare them now. Compare the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And now a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 2m and c is equal to 8m minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay? But here given condition is equal roots. Have this equation have equal roots. That means discrimination b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That implies b square means minus 2m whole square minus 4, a means 1 and c means 8m minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, 4m square minus 32m plus 60. 15 4 is 60 is equal to 0. That too. And again 4 common jealousy. M square minus 8m plus 15 equal to 0. And this one is simplified. M square minus 5m minus 3m plus 15 equal to 0. Here both are multiple and we get 15 and adding this one, there is one there. So m square in this equation both two terms to m common just m minus 5 and minus 3 common just m minus 5 means m into m square m into minus 5 minus 5m minus 3 into m minus 3m minus into minus plus 15. Okay, clear? Okay, now we both sides, sorry, both one we get m minus 5 common just m minus 3 Therefore, m is equal to 5 and that implies m is equal to 5 and m is equal to 3. Okay.